Hi, my Virgos. Welcome to Tarot Talks. Hope you are doing good in this quarantine period and are safe with your family and loved ones. So today we are going to do reading for the sign of Virgo for month of May. So please note that this is a general reading and this might not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest, guys. You might also want to check your other placements like Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Check the other placements in your chart and see what resonates with you. So without taking much time, let's get started with your reading. I have already shuffled the cards for you and laid the cards for you to save the time. Virgos, in this reading, this particular reading, I can see clearly a group of two people. One is having one group of people is having some energies at personal front, and the other group of energy is clearly having some energies on the professional front. So I'll talk about first the personal kind of this thing. So there is a group of people who I think were having some kind of what do you say, rough period in terms of their relationship. Okay, and that period was such that it was making them quite depressed, and they were like feeling very sad, and it was an emotionally draining phase. But now they have decided to let go of whatever that was bothering them. They have decided to just let go of that matter, and they are healing now. They have decided to seek support, that they're taking all the measures, that seeking support and guidance from their loved ones. I think they are talking to their friends. They are seeking advice, they are seeking guidance from their friends, and they are basically taking all the measures to heal themselves, and they are taking the measures basically to they're not giving up on this relationship or bond. This, even though there were some tips or strains that were there in the relationship, they have decided to work over it, and they are doing some work from their end, whatever, like it's like whatever it takes kind of a phase, a mindset they are having now. So they are healing themselves. They have decided to let go of the topic, and they have decided to just let loose. They are also indulging in self care. They are talking to their friends. They're just being at ease with themselves. They're being gentle and kind and at ease with themselves. They are not being too harsh with themselves, which is really a good sign. We do not realize, because whenever we are having tough times, especially in terms of relationships, we tend to get a little more harsher, and no, we are not gentle with ourselves. But I can see this group of people who are taking efforts to take care of themselves as well as the relationship in question, so which is really good. And I feel that they have received an apology from whoever the second person or the second energy involved in this situation. They have received an apology, or they'll be, if not, they are going to they are going to receive an apology that from that person. As much as this group of people want to mend, as much as Virgos you want to mend the things, even the other person is wanting to mend the things, and they are going to come up with an apology, and they are going to want to take this thing forward. They too don't want to give up on this relationship. They are definitely going to take the right measures to mend this relationship, and they are going to come up with an apology, and they are going to fix the things for you. You guys are going to have another chance to your relationship, and it is going to lead to happy and peaceful endings. For some of you, I feel that, and yeah, for you guys, for this group of people, who are having personal conflicts or some strains in the relationship, I'm sure someone is like uh, very much wanting to communicate with you. They are also feeling equally restless, and they for sure will come up with an apology. For another group of you, feel that I feel that um, you you had you're going to get some you're going to get some idea in terms of your work or your business, that is going to uh, set your work or business in a lot of motion, and it's going to gain momentum, and you're going to receive a lot of monetary benefits. It's going to be a monetarily fulfilling and prosperous period for you guys. So I think probably a new project or a new job or a new business idea is what is going to come into manifestation, and it's going to bring you a lot of prosperity. Those who are already into job, then you might expect good returns. If you are expecting bonus, then yeah, you will get good amount, more than what is expected in the current situation. For some of you, I feel that someone is like um, like very much attracted towards you, very much fiercely rather. There's a lot of attraction towards you, and they see you as this passionate. They're very, I mean, they are actually stalking you guys. You probably are not aware of it, but they are literally stalking you, looking at your pictures on social media, and they really are going to speed towards you at the first opportunity that they get. There is a lot of attraction that I see in this bond as well, but it's more than just physical attraction. It is, they want to offer their love to you. They have emotions for you as well, and they want to have new beginnings with you. So this person is going to make a movement towards you, and probably in all probability, I feel that this person might be someone from your workplace. You might not be aware, you might not even be aware of that person, like that someone is having that secret crush on you. You're still probably not aware of it, but that person is just going to come out of the blue, and they are going to, yeah, they are going to see the Chariot as well as the Six of Wands. They definitely are going to come and offer you their emotions. They want this to be a long term thing, not just casual thing. So they are just waiting for the right opportunity to express your feelings, and express their passion and their emotions both for you. I mean, they're just waiting for the right opportunity, and at the first opportunity they'll be there in front of you and making this offer to you for a lifetime. They want to have this they want a stable relationship with you. It's not something just like I said, just not something at a physical level, but they are looking long term commitment, long term committed relationship with you guys. So don't be surprised if you get a message or a text or a phone call from someone you had really not expected, which of course it's quite sweet. So guys, your overall energy was I'll just read out the cards to you. I got Two of Swords, I got Seven of Cups, I got Seven of Pentacles, there is Judgment card, and there is an Emperor as well as Ace of Swords. Give me a minute guys, the card just flew. Yeah, so what I feel is that you guys were, for a group of people, you were indecisive about something, you are not able to make up your mind, but finally you are going to come to a decision. You are going to arrive to a decision. um, I I feel that this is applicable to both the people, both the group of energies that I just mentioned, who are having personal as well as professional this thing. I think some of you have worked really really hard over something, over some project. You see the focus that this person has. They have really really worked very hard on something, and they are going to get that message about good bonus is what I can see here. Someone is going to get really really good bonus. Or if you have given a job interview, you have given a couple of job interviews, is what I think. And you had even received offer letters from, like for example, two companies. I think it's like two companies at the same time, and you are not able to make up your mind, but you are going to choose one of those, and one of those is like really paying you really well, and you're going to go with that. So I can see new beginnings here for sure. New prosperous beginnings, I would say. Or if you are into a business, then you are going to come up with a good business idea, and that business idea is going to reap you very good results. So if you are planning to start onto something, some new business ideas that what you are working on, or and are indecisive about it, then I think it's a positive sign from the universe that this new beginnings or new idea is going to be prosperous for you in terms of money. It's really going to be prosperous. And for another set of people that I started with, you guys, whoever is moving away or letting go of the you guys are basically letting go of the egos that was ruining the relationship, perhaps, because that happens in most of the case. Like we tend to stick our own points, and then that causes a lot of issues. So I guess there's a group of people who is letting go of their egos. They are working hard on the relationships, and they are giving second chance to the relationship, and it is going to definitely work in your favor. You are going to have good second chance with your partner. So let me quickly pull messages from this deck, which is called Moonology. I love this deck. Let's see what we have for you guys. This spirit is, what are the messages? Those are left to me. What are the messages for my Virgos for the month of May? Please. Oh God, sometimes the cards really act funny. Give me a minute, guys. Hello guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to pause the video for shuffling because sometimes the cards really play funny and just keep on popping in chunks. So anyway, the card that has popped out for you is Expect Powerful Change. I am really liking the energy of this card. It's talking about changes, and yeah, I am not surprised, because there are new beginnings for some of you guys for sure, work wise as well as professional wise. There are second chances for you. Let's quickly read this card out for you. New moon eclipse, what it says. Yeah, so it says, if you want affirmation that you can achieve your dreams and get the desired outcome in the situation you're asking about, then this is it. This is a card of beginnings, and there are powerful energies at work, but be prepared. It could be it could be quite a ride, and events now could be jarring and uncomfortable. However, any new directions you take will almost always lead somewhere better than where you are at the moment. Whatever is happening now is happening for a reason you'll appreciate later on. A new portal is opening up, and all you have to do is have the courage to forget about the past and move through it. you are being put back at the right path. There is nothing to fear. Attune to the moon, never mind the past. Life evolves every single day. Wow, that's a very good message. Additional meanings for this card are yes, yes, 1,000 times yes. You are being shunted towards your life purpose. Whatever is happening now is happening for your highest good. This is an important turning point in your life. New moon eclipses are among the most exciting astrological events. They herald a complete change of pace. It's as though you are headed in one direction, probably being guided by your ego, and then here comes the divine, the goddess or spirit to turn you inside to face the direction you actually needed to go. Regardless of whether or not there's a new moon eclipse happening when you pull this card, it's a powerful affirmation of positive turnarounds. Yeah, the reading definitely is positive. I can see new beginnings, new chances. And also I would like to mention that I see that a group of people, who are waiting for some legal action to be settled, like something related to I see property. If you are waiting for something related to your property that was stuck, then you can expect that decision to be in your favor, and you are going to get a lot of money in terms of that from that deal. So that is what I strongly feel like. Sorry, I forgot to mention about that, but yeah, and that is specifically for a group of people. I don't know whoever it is applicable for, but yeah, I can see that the property matters or the legal matters related to property are going to turn out in your favor, and you are going to get money from that deal, whatever it is. So let me, okay, yeah, this is the card that has come from Magical Mermaids and Dolphin Den. Again, it's a very cute and positive card. I just love this deck for some reason. All the images are so pure and positive that it really makes you feel good. The card says contemplation time. Okay, spend time alone meditating upon what you truly desire. Yeah, so this is a very good and powerful message, guys, especially if you are going through some indecisive phase, you have not made any decision yet, then definitely meditation is going to help you. Contemplation definitely helps, seeking the guidance within definitely helps. So try introspecting the situation, and take some time out, take some peace time. So let's see what this card has to say. This card indicates that you need some alone time. Make a firm appointment to be by yourself in a quiet place, ideally outside in nature or near some plants without delay. Make sure that you will be uninterrupted for at least 1 hour. Take a pad of paper and a pen with you. Then spend some time simply breathing, relaxing and centering yourself. After you are completely relaxed, write down this question to your subconscious mind on your pad of paper. What do I want to do next? Write whatever comes to you in response without worrying whether it is correct or not. Then ask your subconscious, what's my heart's true desire right now? Write down the answer. Spend time noting your true priorities so that you'll know how to structure your free time to match with what's important to you. Wow, that's a lovely guidance. Whoever is in the indecisive phase, either personally or professionally, this technique will do wonders for you guys. Do listen to this carefully and try and implement it. Okay, Virgos, I shall leave it at that. I hope you liked the reading. If so, please do not forget to like and share your comments in the comment box. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you are alerted of the next upload that I make to this channel. Okay guys, so I'll leave it at that. Stay safe, stay blessed. Take care. Bye.